Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons, and today's problem is going to be about logical thinking. So this type of problems you probably can get on your entry exam for bachelor's degree or for master's degree. So here's a problem. In a group of 100 students, a nurse finds the following. 42 students have A antigen, 18 students have B antigen, and 7 students have both A and B antigen type blood of which we call AB. And here's the two questions: how many students only have A antigen and how many students have neither antigen, so belong to the blood group O. Let me remind you that in the ABO blood group system we have three antigens: antigen A, B, and O. Hence the name ABO blood group system. And these three antigens may produce following blood groups: blood group A, blood group B, blood group A, B, and blood group O. And blood group A is made by two genotypes, A, and A, O. Blood group B also made by two genotypes, B, and B, O. And blood group is made by only one genotype, A, B, and blood group O is also made of one genotype, O. So what we know about the problem, that we have a group of 100 students. So we put U equal to 100, which is going to be our sample space. So all sectors inside this square equal to 100. So each sector here represent certain alleles and genotypes. So 42 students have A antigen. So let's say that this is going to be, this circle would stand for the blood group A, which of course, as you see, have A antigen in both genotypes, whether it's homozygous or heterozygous, but both genotypes have antigen A. And let's say that another circle would represent antigen B. We know that 42 students have the A antigen. So we put 42 here. So 42 students have A antigen. And 18 students have the B antigen. So we put 18 here. And 7 students have both A and B antigens. So this is going to be cross-section of both circle A, which represent antigen A, and B, which represent B antigen. So here we are going to have in this cross-section, which represent A, B, 7 students. So the first question: how many students have only A antigen type A? So take a look. 42 students have antigen A, but 7 of them have also antigen B. I want to underline that we're looking for only A antigen. So we have to subtract 7. 42 minus 7 would give us 35 students that have only antigen A. The same is true for this circle, which represent antigen B. 18 students belong to this circle, but some of them, or 7 of them, also have antigen A. So exclusively have only B antigen is going to be 18 minus 7. It's going to be 11. So, by the way, this is an answer to the first question. 35 students have exclusively antigen A. And as for the second question and answer, total number of students are 100. So 100, we have to subtract number of students we have found in each sector and cross-section. So minus those who exclusively have A antigens. So this is going to be 35 minus those who have both antigens A and B. And this is going to be 7 students. And we also have to subtract those who have only antigen B. And this is going to be 11 students. And this is going to be 47. So what this number 47 stand for? This number represent this field here. So those students that doesn't have antigen A, which this sector represent, nor they have both antigens, nor antigen B. And we have found that there are 47 such students. So they belong here, and this is going to be blood group O. And genotype is going to be O, according to our table here. And this is all for today. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.